A recursive sort like merge sort might be the best option. Come on, let's learn some Java. Merge sort uses a divide and conquer recursive method to sort the array. So it's going to divide this array into two subarrays. One array is going to contain the beginning of the list, 7 and 3. The other array will contain 9, 1, and 5. Then we will concentrate on the left side and continue to divide the array until it consists of only single elements. So do we divide 7 and 3 into an array of 7 and an array of 3? Now that it's just single elements, we can merge them back together in the correct order, and we get 3, 7. Now we work on the right side. We break this 3-element array into an array of 9 and an array of 1 and 5. First, break apart 1 and 5 into its elements of 1 and then 5. Merge them back together. They were already sorted, but it will merge them back together. Merge that together with 9 and get the array 1, 5, 9. Now we can merge these two arrays back together and we get a sorted array of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now don't forget to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.